guys, my name is BarbiePinkLifestyle, and if you're new swinging through, then welcome. If you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know that I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so this video, if you clicked on it, you'll know this is our rainbow haul. I've seen, well, sorry guys, my table is like all over the place. But yeah, so I've seen a bunch of rainbow hauls, and I was like, why haven't I done a rainbow haul? I basically live in the rainbow, so if you like videos like this, then make sure you keep watching. This is just a haul. It's not a try on or anything. I just want to show you guys what I got and the prices, because I know that there are more than a few plus size people that watch me. You can go to Rainbow and get some cute clothes for like the low. So you don't have to spend a bunch of money. You don't have to follow the trends. You don't have to go to Fashion Nova. Well, you don't go to Fashion Nova, but you don't have to buy Fashion Nova online clothes, because that stuff can get a little pricey. And honestly, the real tea is that Rainbow and Fashion Nova buy from the same vendor. So why not just go to Rainbow? You know, it's a fraction of the price. You can actually go in the store and actually see the clothes versus looking online. You know, I had a bad experience with Fashion Nova. I bought a few pieces online from them. One of them, the dress was $32. I ended up giving it away because the stitching was way off. It wouldn't zip up in the back, and it was my size, so that was pretty weird. And the other thing that I got was a jacket, and a normal jacket just zips up fine, but this jacket had like an inseam on the side. You guys, it was just a mess. If I can find that jacket, I'll put it on and show you guys. And yeah, so I am definitely trying to film more for you guys. I'm trying to stay consistent. I do want to do more collabs. I really don't have that many collabs on my channel. I think we have a few on this channel. I think we have like maybe 2 collabs. Yeah, I'm like losing in the collab section. So if you guys want to collab, my email is down below. Don't be scared to hit me up if you guys want to collab. There's my Instagram down below, email. There are many ways to hit me up. I really want to do makeup collaborations, but if you're like a mukbanger or whatever, that's cool too. I like to get my eat on. But anyways, without further ado, enough of me rambling. Let's get right into this haul. So we have 2 rainbow bags. One is heavier than the other, so let's go into the lightweight one first. So this bag is the dresses that I picked up, and then my boyfriend got me some sweatpants and stuff too. So this is the first dress. Let's see. I'll tell you oh, it doesn't say the name. I'll just show you. So these outfits is not like Fashion Nova when it comes to names. I don't see any name for this. The tag just says Derek Hart Plus, and it looks like this. And all of the sizes, I went ahead and went up in a size. I got a 3X. So I do recommend you to go up a size, because sometimes Rainbow has weird sizing with like their stitching too, and like there's space in the clothes. You want to make sure you have enough space, so always just go up a size. It doesn't hurt. And this dress was on sale. Oh no, it wasn't on sale, but it was $12.99. So there you go. So this is the dress. It does this little ruching thing at the top, so I can pull it on the sides here. So it's over the shoulder, or you can wear it up here, but I like to wear mine down here. So yeah, so it goes over the shoulders like that. And then the sleeve is a little 3/4 sleeve action with this little ribbon at the bottom. I thought that was really nice detail on it. I love dainty things like that, so that's really what made me get this dress. I usually don't like flowers, but I thought this dress was really cute for summer, and it was only $12.99, so I figured, why not? Let's see. Sorry if you guys hear drinking from this way. That's my new pet. She's like down there doing the most. But yes, so okay, so this is dress number 2. This dress tag says new look, and it was only $9.99. So this is what the tag looks like. It says new look. This one I actually got my actual size. I don't think I could have found a 3X in this one. And you can see here it's only $9.99. So it kind of does the same thing. At the top it has this ruching that goes like right over the shoulders like that. But instead this one also has a little tie here. It doesn't look like it makes this any tighter. It's just like for decoration, little detail. And it has little tassels. For the sleeves of this dress, it's more flared out. It sinks right here. There's a little stitching right here, and then it flares out. So that's really cute. This dress comes about knee length too, so that's really cute. And that's everything from bag number 1. Bag number 2 is a heavier bag because it's actually like sweat clothes. I love sweatpants, you guys. I have probably a bajillion pair of sweatpants, so yeah. So let's get into these. Girl, you're distracting me. Oh my gosh, she's in her hut popcorning, guys. Girl. She tripping. But anyways, these are the first pair that he got me. Let's see what the tag says. This tag says Rouge Collection, and it looks just like this. It says love going down the side of the pant leg, and it has this cute coloring on the side, and it also has a drawstring so you can tighten it. And the bottom of these has the little ruching like that, so it's really comfy. I think those will go good with like a pair of Nike slide-ons, or I don't know, you guys are fancy your Gucci slides and stuff. So yeah. The second pair that he got me says Rouge Collection, and these were $5. So the tags look just like that. Rouge, and then the prices are here. So even the original price is not bad, but I mean, $5, hello, give me all of them. So these ones are cute. On the top around the band, all the way around the band, it says love going through the whole top of the band. And then it also, wait, let me get it for you guys. It also says love going down the entire bottom of the pants leg, and then the bottom looks just like that. So also super comfy. Both of those did not have pockets. I think, yeah, this one has pockets. This one is also a new look pair of sweatpants. So new look is what it says. And then on the tag, these were actually on sale for $3. For this rainbow, I went to the rainbow in Maryland for all these things, guys, and let me tell you, the rainbow in Maryland is so much better than the rainbow in Virginia, guys. Like, I don't even think I'm going to go to the one in Virginia anymore, because this one is hands down my new favorite rainbow. So this one comes with the drawstring here, like that, and these ones actually has pockets on it, and it says, I didn't even realize what it said. I just wanted these because they were pink, but now that I'm looking at it, it says girls do it better. Like, duh, girls do it better. And then the bottom are just like this, nice and cute. Those will go good with my Nike slide, so I really like those. Rainbow also sells like accessories. You can get like earrings, glasses. I think they even sell lingerie, honestly, but I really don't go there for that type of stuff. But when I was there, I saw earrings, so I went ahead and got these earrings, and these earrings were $4.99. I only got these because I really wanted these hearts here, and then I wanted these little flowers here, and there's the price there. It was $4.99. I don't think that'll focus. But yeah, so that's everything from my plus size rainbow haul. If you guys like rainbow hauls, then let me know. I don't know if you guys like try on hauls. You gotta let me know down below in the comments. If you guys just like where I show you the product and like the tag and the price, then that's cool too. Just let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I'll definitely keep them coming. I have more things to unbag for you guys so you can see, and I will definitely try to find links for them. If I can find links to certain products that you really like, I'll try to find them so I can link it down below for you guys. And yeah, so that's it for our plus size rainbow haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this haul. This was my first rainbow haul. I really enjoyed showing you guys everything that I got for the low because you guys know I'm cheap. Leave me your feedback down below, any future video requests down below also, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.